सिंहासनाधीश्वर महाराजाधिराज योगीनाथ श्रीमंत श्री 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 छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज की जय। छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज की जय। Today I am going to speak a few words about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was a great king and brave warrior. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was also known as Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj was born on 19 February 1630 at Shivneri Fort in Maharashtra. Shivaji Maharaj always believed in equality and justice. The battle techniques of Shivaji Maharaj was called Ganimi Kawa. Shivaji Maharaj is an inspiration for all of us. Shivaji Maharaj's father's name was Shahaji Bhosle and mother's name was Jijabai. Shivaji Maharaj was the founder of the Maratha Empire. Shivaji Maharaj is the founder of the Maratha Empire. Shivaji Maharaj's birthday is celebrated as Shiv Jayanti. Shivaji Maharaj was died on 3rd April 1680. आले किती निवडून गेले भरारा आले किती गेले की निवडून गेले भरारा समजा नाही आणि समजारी नाही माझ्या शिवबाचा दरारा समजा नाही आणि समजारी नाही माझ्या शिवबाचा दरारा माझ्या शिवबाचा दरारा थँक्यू जय